Usually my bird won't talk when I'm right here. Oh, he dances though. He can dance. Yes, he's my best student. Are you my best student? Because dancing's your favorite. Spocky. Dancey dance, dance. Spock. Oh yeah, he can dance. He can dance. So you think he can dance, huh, Spock? So you think he can dance. He's right by the camera. Just don't break Mama's phone. That's cute. Oh, he's a good bird. I'm a good bird. Can you say that? Spock, talk. Hello. Hello, I'm a good bird. I'm a good bird. I'm a good bird. Spock, do this. Spock. 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 Can you talk, Spock? Can you talk? Can you say stuff? Can you say, oh, he's dancing. Oh, Lily. Maybe it's you, Lily, that's causing him to just be quiet. All right. Bye, Spocky. Bye, Spock. We're going to